Software Testing Course Videos Part 2A. A. Testing Principles and Concepts. Testing principles and concepts form the foundation of effective software testing practices, guiding testers in their efforts to ensure software quality and reliability. Understanding these principles is essential for devising comprehensive test strategies and executing tests that yield meaningful results. 1. Early testing. Testing should begin as early as possible in the software development lifecycle to identify defects when they are less expensive to fix. By detecting issues early, testers can prevent them from propagating throughout the development process, saving time and resources. 2. Exhaustive testing is impossible. It's impractical to test every possible input combination or scenario due to the infinite number of potential test cases. Instead, testers focus on identifying critical test cases that have a high probability of uncovering defects while providing adequate test coverage. 3. Defect clustering. Experience shows that defects tend to cluster around specific modules, functionalities, or areas of the software. Testers prioritize testing efforts based on the likelihood of finding defects in these high-risk areas, ensuring thorough coverage where it matters most. 4. Pesticide paradox. Repeatedly executing the same set of tests can lead to diminishing returns as it may overlook new defects. Test cases need regular review and updating to evolve with the changing software requirements and to uncover fresh defects. 5. Testing is context-dependent. Testing strategies, techniques, and priorities vary based on factors such as project goals, stakeholder expectations, technology stack, and regulatory requirements. Testers must adapt their approach to suit the specific context of each project. B. Testing lifecycle. The testing lifecycle outlines the sequence of activities involved in planning, designing, executing, and managing tests throughout the software development process. It provides a structured framework for ensuring comprehensive test coverage and effectively managing testing efforts. 1. Test planning. In the initial phase, test planning involves defining testing objectives, identifying test deliverables, and creating a test plan that outlines the testing approach, resources, and schedules. Test planning also involves risk analysis to prioritize testing efforts based on potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. 2. Test design. Test design encompasses the creation of test cases and test scenarios based on requirements, specifications, and user stories. Testers design tests to validate system functionality, verify data integrity, and assess performance under various conditions. Test design may include techniques such as boundary value analysis, equivalence partitioning, and decision tables. 3. Test execution. Test execution involves running test cases against the software under test to validate its behavior and functionality. Testers execute tests manually or using automated testing tools, recording test results and identifying defects for resolution. Test execution may occur in multiple iterations, with testers refining test cases based on feedback and new information. 4. Test reporting and closure. After completing test execution, testers compile test reports summarizing test results, including pass-fail status, defect metrics, and test coverage. Test reports provide stakeholders with insights into the quality of the software and help inform decision-making regarding release readiness. Once testing objectives are met, the testing lifecycle concludes with test closure activities, including final documentation, knowledge transfer, and post-mortem analysis. The testing lifecycle is iterative and may overlap with other phases of the software development lifecycle, allowing for continuous testing and feedback to drive improvements in software quality. Effective test management and coordination are essential for ensuring that testing activities align with project goals and deliverables, ultimately contributing to the successful delivery of high-quality software products.